Hello guys, welcome in my channel again. So in this video we talk about private labeling and white labeling products. So how you can differentiate them and their benefits. So we're gonna talk about what is white labeling products and what is private labeling products. So private labeling is is where manufacturer or brand sell its product exclusively to one retailer, so the retailer can change the product in certain ways, such as by modifying the size or color. The retailers also typically handle all the marketing, publicity, and branding of the product. So, example of product private label products can be the trader's choice. The grocery store almost exclusively sell private label products. So Kirkland Signature is Costco private label brand sells consumer products that range from grocery goods to pet supplies. So Threshold, one of the targets many private label this home brands sell goods like furniture, lighting and bed. So now let's talk about what is white labeling. White labeling is the process of selling a generic product to multiple retailers and wide and with various branding styles. Essentially, a white label is a blank label so you can't change the product or what's inside the packaging. So, but you can customize how the product is labeled and packaged. So, with the white label products, companies can sell their generic products to multiple retailers. Each retailer can then customize the label of the products to align with their company's brand. Example of profitable white label products include clothing and accessories, beauty products, food related products, health and personal hygiene products, and mobile phone accessories as well.